Hey, real quick, before you scroll past this video, I want you to pull up your last paycheck. Look at your salary right now. Now think back to what you were making 2 years ago. You made more money. You got the raise. Maybe you even got promoted. So why does it still feel like you're living paycheck to paycheck? Because you probably are, and the system is designed to keep you there. I'm Marcus. This is Macro Finance, and today we are talking about the trap that hits hardest when things are finally going right. This is not about being broke because you aren't making enough. This is about being broke because you are making more. And if that sounds backwards, good, because it is. And understanding why is the most important financial move you will make this year. Marcus's story. Meet the trap in real life. The raise. Let me make this real for you. Marcus is 29. He has been working at the same company for 4 years. He is good at his job. And last January, he finally got the raise he deserved, $85,000 a year, up from $65,000. That is $20,000 more a year, $1,666 more every single month. Now, Marcus is smart. He did not blow it on a vacation. He did not buy a Rolex. He did what felt responsible. He upgraded his apartment. Nicer neighborhood, better commute. $400 more a month. I work hard. I deserve this. He got a newer car. Nothing crazy, just reliable. $380 a month. He started going out more because he could actually afford it now. An extra $200 a month on dinners and drinks with people he actually likes. He switched to a nicer gym. $80 a month. He started buying better groceries, organic, fresh, not the store brand. Another $150 a month. The truth nobody is telling you. Here's the truth nobody is telling you. Marcus spent every single dollar of that raise, every single one, and he still feels broke. Not because he's irresponsible, not because he's lazy, but because he fell into the most expensive trap in modern personal finance. This is called lifestyle inflation, and Marcus doesn't even realize it's happening to him. Economists have a name for what Marcus just experienced. It's called hedonic adaptation. Your brain, the same 40,000-year-old brain that was designed to chase survival, is now running inside an $85,000 salary. And it works like this. Every time you upgrade your lifestyle, you get a hit of satisfaction. The new apartment feels amazing. The new car feels like freedom. But within 30 to 60 days, your brain resets. The new apartment becomes just your apartment. The new car becomes just your car. And suddenly, the baseline shifts. Now you need more to feel the same way you did before. So Marcus is not enjoying his raise. He is chasing it. Why did he do it? Because that is what he was supposed to do. Because every ad, every Instagram post, every lifestyle brand is designed to make him do this the moment his income goes up. The math. What the raise was really worth. Let's run Marcus's numbers, because here's where it gets really interesting. Marcus got $1,666 extra a month. He spent $1,210 of it on lifestyle upgrades. Apartment, $400, car, $380, dining, $200, gym, $80, groceries, $150. After taxes on that raise, he's actually working with closer to $1,100 in real take-home. He is net positive by less than $100 a month. $20,000 raise, less than $100 a month to show for it. But here's the trap inside the trap. If Marcus had kept his old lifestyle for just 24 months and invested that $1,100 a month at 7% annual return, which is the average S&P 500 return over any 20-year period, he'd have $28,400 in 2 years, without touching a single dollar of his raise, without going back to eating ramen, just by not upgrading everything at once. Instead, he has a nicer apartment he barely notices anymore and a car payment that stresses him out every single month. $28,400. Gone. Not stolen. Just spent on feeling normal. And look, before we go deeper, if this is already hitting close to home, hit the like button right now. It takes 2 seconds. It tells me to keep making videos exactly like this. Subscribe if you haven't, because what I'm about to show you about how companies are actively designed to accelerate your lifestyle inflation is something most people never find out about. Let's keep going. The system, it was designed this way. Here's where it gets really interesting, and here's the part that should make you genuinely angry. This is not an accident. Lifestyle inflation is not just a psychological quirk, it is a product. Luxury brands run campaigns specifically timed to raise season. Car dealerships know that the average American buys a new car within 18 months of a significant income increase. Banks market "you've earned it" credit lines the moment your deposits go up. The system does not want Marcus to invest his raise. It wants Marcus to spend it before he even thinks about saving it. And it works. The Federal Reserve reports that nearly 37% of Americans cannot cover a $400 emergency. And that number barely changes as income rises, because income rises and spending rises with it, dollar for dollar, almost every single time. There is a strong correlation between looking rich and being very poor. Nobody on Instagram is posting their credit card statement. The solution: 3 rules starting today. So here is what Marcus should have done and what you can still do today, not tomorrow, today. Rule 1, the 50% raise rule. Every single time your income increases, you are allowed to upgrade your lifestyle with 50% of the increase. The other 50% goes to savings or investments before it ever hits your checking account. Not after you've budgeted, before. Auto-transfer it the same day your direct deposit hits. If Marcus had done this, he would have been investing $833 a month from day one. That is the move. Rule 2, the 30-day reset rule. Before you upgrade anything, apartment, car, subscription, gym, wait 30 days. Your brain is chasing the hit of novelty. Give it 30 days to reset. You will be surprised how often you don't actually want the upgrade anymore. The feeling fades, the bill does not. Rule 3, audit the creep. Pull up your bank statements from 24 months ago. Compare them to today, category by category: groceries, subscriptions, dining, transportation. I promise you, you will find at least $200 to $400 a month that crept in without a single conscious decision. That is not your fault, but now you know, and now it is a choice. Instant gratification is the most expensive thing you will ever buy, not because of the price tag, because of what that money could have become. Payoff, the final word. Marcus is not bad with money. Marcus is human. His 40,000-year-old brain is doing exactly what it was designed to do: seek comfort, reduce stress, reward progress. The trap is not his fault, but staying in it is a choice. You got the raise. You did the work. Your future self deserves to feel that, not just your present self for 30 days. A raise is not permission to spend. It is an invitation to build. Hit the like button right now. It takes 2 seconds. And comment below, what is one lifestyle upgrade you made after a raise that, looking back, you wish you hadn't? I read every single one. Subscribe to Macro Finance. Every week, we break down the real psychology and the real math behind money in America. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.